falling, dreaming, talking in your sleep. I know you want to cry all night.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Ramil. Today we are going to be doing some boho braids. We are going to be using this gorgeous blend of number 4, 27, and 30. This loose wave hair is from Y Wigs. It is human hair and they sent me 2 bundles of this. So I'm really excited to see what my braids are gonna look like. For my braiding hair, I'm going to be using the Outre Expressions. They already have a blend of all the numbers that I need. So this is the hair that I'm going to be using. I got 3 packs of this hair. So I think that 3 packs will be enough to do the size that I'm wanting to do. I already have tons of videos on my page already of how I achieve my boho braids. So I'm not really gonna talk much in this video. I'm just gonna show you all the process and then I'll come back to show you all the results.
Sounds right.
Okay guys, so what you want to do is part your section off. I'm doing my squares about this size. So I went ahead and parted out 2 sections. For my braiding hair, I'm using around this much. And I like to pull on the ends so that way it's kind of layered and it's not all one length, so that way it's easier to end the braid. Before you add in your braiding hair, you want to grab some braiding gel. This helps with keeping your sections nice and crisp, and it also helps with the braiding hair staying at the root. And it should look like that when you're done. So after you get your sections nice and clean with the braiding gel, you're gonna go in with your braiding hair and you are going to grab your hair and loop the braiding hair around. Once you get the braiding hair looped, you are going to start braiding your hair. So then you're gonna go in with your braiding hair. I'm using around this much. And you're gonna take the ends, and I like to add it to my middle finger to hold. And you're just gonna start braiding it in. Once you braid it down, you can add in another piece of human hair and do that step all the way down.
Sounds right.
Okay guys, so once you make it to the end, you want to take a piece of human hair and you're just gonna add it in as if you're braiding regularly, not leaving pieces out for the boho part. We're just braiding it in so that way we can have curly ends. And I only add 2 pieces. You don't want it to be thick because I feel like that's when it makes it hard to tie the knot at the end. So just braid it down a little bit and then take a small piece of hair, wrap it around and tie the knot. I always like to do it twice just for double security, and it stays. So far, I love how this hair looks. It's really, really full and it's really, really soft. We're so close to being done. We have this row to do, and then we have another row, and then we can finally see what the final look looks like.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
Hey guys, it's the next day. I'm back. You see I have my makeup on. I feel refreshed. Let's go ahead and style this hair.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
I'm gonna go in with a foaming mousse, and I'm just gonna do this on the top.
Soundstripe. Soundstripe.
Alrighty guys, so this is the final look. I absolutely love how this turned out, especially since I got the correct braiding hair to match the human hair. So 10 out of 10. They sent me over 2 bundles and I used all of it. Honestly, I feel like I could have gotten away with another bundle, but that's only if you want to have like super full coverage of human hair. But if you like this, 2 bundles will work. I started at 12 p.m. yesterday and I finished at 11:30 p.m. So it took me a full day to get through the process, but it was totally worth it. As far as parting, I did follow the braiding chart for medium braids. So I'll insert a picture right here so that way you can screenshot it and use it for your reference when you're ready to try this style out. It was my first time trying that braiding pattern and I really like it because I didn't have any weird parts in my hair. Like I feel like I can flip my hair over to the side and it looks good. I can wear my hair in the middle and it looks good because I did the parting correctly. So that's nice. I feel like in the past, I've just always free parted my braids and sometimes I was left with like weird parts, or it would look weird if I wore it in the middle or whatever. So definitely try out that braiding pattern. The coolest part about this hair is that they did the blend for me. So they blended number 4, 30, and 27 all together to get this look. So keep that in mind for when you're shopping on their website that I used 30, 27, and 4. As always, you guys, I will have everything about this hair linked in the description box, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye.